Assalamualaikum and good day to my panelists and audience. My name is Muhammad Azmi. Today I will be presenting on my final year project proposal and I am supervised by Dr. Al-Hassan Salami Tijani. The title for my project is Numerical Investigation of the Effect of Wind Speed and Solar Radiation on the Performance of Solar Distilling Engine of an Eco-Village in Malaysia. And this is the outline for my presentation. We have introduction, literature review, problem statement, objective, scope of study, methodology, preliminary result, and expected result. First, let's look at the introduction, which is the background of the study. As demand for energy and environmental problem has rising, the number of research on clean energy also has increased. Solar energy is the most promising energy as this clean energy do not pollute the environment and can reduce the fuel consumption. So stirling engine is one of the applications that use solar energy to generate electricity. And it has gained popularity due to its simple design, safe and silent operation. So the study is aiming to propose a simulation as well as mathematical model to conduct the performance assessment and efficiency improvement of a standalone parabolic solar distilling system. Stirling engine is a heat engine that operates on a closed regenerative thermodynamic cycle in which working fluid at various temperatures undergo cyclical expansion and compression process. So stirling engine operates by converting heat energy into mechanical work. Basically, there are three types of stirling engine, which are alpha, beta, and gamma. So, solar distilling system is a system which mainly consists of stirling engine, parabolic dish collector or concentrator, and a receiver. The system is used to convert solar energy into electricity by means of many other components such as generator and battery. Next is the literature review. According to study by Shendage, Kedari and Bapat in 2017, with the existence of stirling engine in India, it can help overcoming the scarcity of electric supply for more than 20,000 villages which are far away from the power grid. In 2017, Barreto and Canhoto conducted a study to analyze the stirling engine performance through the dynamic modeling and simulation of small-scale solar-powered stirling engine. It was found when using a directly illuminated thermal receiver without cavity, the engine efficiency is estimated to be 23.8%. And lastly, Lee and Associates conduct a performance analysis of solar stirling system under condition of Tianjin, China. By implementing a mathematical model in MATLAB software, the study shows that the solar stirling system able to generate 28.75 megawatt per hour annually with 19.55% of annual overall efficiency. Moving on to the next slide, problem statement. Generally, energy is consumed in many major sectors such as industry, transportation, and building. So there will be huge fossil fuel consumption and carbon dioxide emission due to the energy consumed. Other than that, the use of common heat engine, such as internal combustion engine, also produce exhaust gas and carbon dioxide emission. This will lead to the rise in environmental pollution. Furthermore, the non-renewable resources such as fossil fuels are now at the risk of depletion. Thus, a device like stirling engine is used to overcome this problem. However, due to the increasing commercialization of this technology, there is a need for maximizing the overall efficiency of the stirling engine. Other than that, there is also a need to minimize the loss in the stirling engine. Therefore, the objective of the study is to analyze the effect of heat losses and optical losses on the performance of solar distilling system. We also want to evaluate the effect of solar radiation and operating parameters such as concentration ratio and wind speed on the performance of stirling engine. The study will be done under the environmental condition of an eco-village in Masa University, Selangor. MATLAB software will be used to develop mathematical model and to run simulation of the solar distilling system. In this study, we'll be focusing on the efficiency and loss characteristic of solar distilling system. For methodology, this flowchart represents my research plan for this project. First, I will start with data and information collection through literature review. Then, I will develop the steady-state model for solar distilling system. The steady-state model includes the energy balance equation, such as equation to calculate the concentrated energy, useful energy, and heat losses in the system. After that, we will perform the coding and simulation in MATLAB, which will start in the next semester. Before that, we need to obtain necessary input data. The Meteornom software will be used to generate solar radiation data, and this solar radiation data will be used as an input data for the simulation. And then, through the simulation, we can analyze the effect of operating parameters on the solar distilling system and analyze the heat losses and optical losses in solar distilling system. From the simulation, we will establish the optimum parameters that have significant effects on the efficiency of solar distilling system. And lastly, the model will be validated by comparing with experimental result, which is referred from journal and article. Next is the preliminary result. These are the data that I have generated through Meteornom software, which are direct normal irradiation, global irradiation, and diffuse irradiation in Masa University for year 2021. Other than solar radiation data, I also generate the data for monthly air temperature and monthly wind speed in Masa University for year 2021. So all this data will be used as input data for the next semester. The expected result that I wish to achieve by the end of the study is as follows. First, the effect of solar radiation on heat losses and the efficiency of solar distilling system. Second, the effect of heat losses and optical losses on the efficiency and electrical power output for solar distilling system. And lastly, the effect of operating parameters and wind speed on efficiency and electrical output power of solar distilling system. So these are some examples of results that I take from literature's review that I have done. That's all from me, and thank you for listening. If you have any concern or question, please reach me through the contact info as follows. Thank you.